Hey guys, are you want to buy best chrome trim stickers? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best chrome trim stickers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Winla Heart Stickers Car Stickers. These mini heart car stickers are a charming way to add personality to your vehicle or accessories. Made from waterproof metal, they offer durability and a sleek, shiny finish. Measuring just 28 by 26 millimeters, about 1.1 inches, each heart is small but eye-catching, perfect for drivers who prefer subtle yet stylish decor. Installation is effortless thanks to the pre-applied adhesive. Simply peel and stick wherever you like. Despite their small size, the stickers are built to last without fading or damaging paint, making them ideal for both interior and exterior use. Their versatility shines. They're great for cars, laptops, bumpers, phones, helmets, and more. Whether you're adding flair to your ride or personalizing your gear, these heart decals deliver a cute, compact, and fun aesthetic without the hassle. Now our second product is Tamil Flame Graphics Car Body Side Sticker. This vinyl car side stripe sticker set offers a bold and stylish upgrade for your vehicle. Made from high-quality vinyl, it's durable, waterproof, and fade-resistant, perfect for long-term use in all weather. The large size, 102.7 inches by 14.9 inches, is designed to cover the side of SUVs, trucks, and off-road vehicles, instantly enhancing the car's appearance with a sporty edge. Installation is straightforward. Clean the surface thoroughly, spray water on the adhesive side, and apply the decal while adjusting for position and removing air bubbles. The water helps with repositioning, making application more forgiving. The set includes both left and right side decals, ensuring a complete look. Ideal for drivers wanting a custom look without costly paint jobs, this product delivers style, durability, and ease of use in one sleek package. Our third product is 4Car Metal Sticker. This paw print car sticker adds a charming, pet-loving touch to your vehicle while delivering impressive durability. Crafted from eco-friendly solid zinc alloy, it offers a sturdy, non-deforming structure with a premium metallic finish. The multi-layer plating process enhances its resistance to corrosion and oxidation, ensuring it stays shiny and intact over time, even under harsh weather conditions. Each piece undergoes strict manual quality control to meet high standards. Its strong adhesive backing guarantees a secure hold, but placement should be carefully planned since the glue is extremely sticky and not easily repositioned. Ideal for car exteriors, windows, or even laptops, this paw print decal is both decorative and resilient. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it's a perfect choice for pet owners who want a stylish, long-lasting emblem with peace of mind. Now number 4, Cowan Best Spider Emblem Car Sticker. These silver car stickers offer a sleek and practical way to personalize your vehicle or accessories. Made from 100% waterproof and flexible rubber, they're built to last, resistant to rust, corrosion, and fading. Their soft yet durable texture ensures they maintain their look even in harsh conditions. The set includes 2 pieces that easily enhance your car logo, giving it a brighter and more stylish finish. With a strong self-adhesive backing, installation is hassle-free. Just clean the surface, peel, and stick, no tools required. These versatile decals aren't limited to vehicles. They can be applied to laptops, books, walls, or even AirPods Max, allowing you to show off your personal style across different items. Universal fit for cars, SUVs, and trucks, this pair of stickers delivers both decoration and durability in a small, easy-to-use package. And our last choice is Kinso Chrome Vent Car Decoration Sticker. These universal hood vent hole covers blend style and functionality for car enthusiasts seeking a sleek upgrade. Made from durable ABS plastic with a chrome silver or carbon fiber finish, they resist high temperatures and fading, maintaining their polished look over time. Each piece measures 22 by 5 centimeters, 8.7 inches by 1.96 inches, and features a net grid design that adds a sporty, upscale feel to your vehicle's exterior. The set includes 2 vent covers weighing approximately 100 g. Installation is simple and tool-free, thanks to the strong adhesive backing. Just clean the surface and press on without any drilling. Despite their firm hold, they're removable without damaging your car's paint. These decorative vents are compatible with most vehicles and offer an affordable way to enhance the hood's appearance, combining easy application with long-lasting, eye-catching results. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.